The SheetRockers are going to be coming in the next day or two, and I just need to go through and document the most crucial before images that we have. The walls and things will be sheetrocked, so it will not look like this again. I just really need like the official before sheetrock situation. So this entire ceiling where the kitchen used to be will be covered. That's going to be incredible. This wall will no longer have gaping holes across it. This will no longer have a gaping hole. And if you guys remember, there used to be a wall right here. Joel just took that down the other day in preparation for the SheetRockers. And I just need one final look around the basement before it gets sheetrocked. So, take a good look, because next time you see it, it is not going to look like this. One thing I wanted to show up here for the last time was you can see the outline of the old window where it used to be. You can see the outline of the old door. You can also kind of see the outline where an old window used to be here that extended lower. And from the outside, you can't detect these anymore because the outside is covered. Once the sheetrock comes in, you will not be able to detect again where these windows used to sit or the door used to sit. Pretty cool. This entire thing used to be a sliding glass door, and then we framed it in to be just a cute little window over the kitchen sink. So lots of progress. Forgot to show that little owie, so that will also be repaired. The miracle and magic of sheetrock. Let's do it.
Well, sheetrock was supposed to be here at 9 a.m. My sheetrockers were supposed to be here at 9 a.m. It is now 2 p.m. and still nothing, nobody. I keep hearing big trucks come by, thinking it's my sheetrock, and it's not. But I'll tell you what I did spot.
Me! You spot me!
A real beauty over there. Look at her. Hustling that dirt.
Tell him what you told me. He's like, you're too pretty to be doing
Oh,
this.
yeah.
You're dressed too pretty.
Yeah, you're dressed too nice. Makeup, face, everything. Look at you.
Well, because we had plans of like filming other things, which I did. Like I had to get up, get ready so I could film. But then it's like, the kids are in school and Joel and I have like 2 seconds of like no one being here to get things cleaned up.
So we went and rented a trailer because my usual dump trailer is currently out of commission, I guess. I don't know, it's not available to me right now. So we had to rent one, and we're gonna get stuff gone out of this yard.
And it's been kind of fun because,
it's like a little date.
well, it is, but we've also had like all sorts of contractors here getting bids, and I'm like, I'm so adulting today.
Adulting.
Hiring contractors. I get to buy the general contractor.
Do you know who the general contractor is?
You!
This guy. I'm the GC. OGC. Yeah, you know me.
Ew.
That's good. That was good. That just came out. It's too natural not to say that, so I don't care what you say. It's too natural. All right, get back to work. Dusty, you look like Pigpen. You got this dust cloud.
Telling me how pretty I was.
You look pretty, but you got this dust cloud of everything just following you, so it looks like Pigpen's working over here.
Is this how you feel every time I vlog?
Yeah. Like I'm working and you're doing nothing?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, well, one pays the bills, one doesn't.
Mr. Hoellein, I'm a little out of breath. I have to show you guys, this trailer was completely empty, and Joel and I loaded this entire thing, this entire trailer, Joel and I filled. I have never in my life been more excited for sheetrock. Joel, that's a lot of sheetrock.
Holy sheetrock.
Holy sheetrock. Joel, what if that hits the outside? Is it going to?
That's when these boys don't want to lose their jobs.
I am seriously terrified.
Where's my little friends to say hello? I don't think they walked by yet.
Oh, and then they just take one by one in, huh?
Yeah, they just got in.
I showed the before down here. Wow, it actually looks like a basement. Joel, this is funny. Oh, that poor like low ceiling. There was nothing we could do. Oh well, it's the beauty of an old home. It's just
Quirky.
Quirky. That's a nice word for it. Oh, that looks good. Oh my gosh. Joel, we missed the whole ceiling.
I didn't want to be here.
Wow, that's a mess. You're like, yeah, I know. Oh my gosh. This is the most exciting, the most changing thing that we have done so far. Well, I mean, you know what I mean, visually. Joel, it's looking like a house again. Look at this master bedroom. Someone is going to just really, really love this. Oh, it makes the window look so cute. Oh, that's so fun. They can't do the shower area because we've got to get the shower in and it has been delayed, and I don't know why it hasn't been delivered yet, but anyway, we can't put the sheetrock in until the shower goes in, so that's just waiting. Should we take a look in the closet? I'm really jealous of this big old closet. Aw, that's so fun, Joel. We're gonna have to decide how we want to shelve it. What is going to be the best way to utilize the space in here? Do you know what I mean? I don't either.
Just a bunch of Rubbermaids.
Look at the cute window. Just to like let in enough light, you know? I can't believe what the ceiling looks like. Our dining area looks so good. Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh, that's so good.
Was that difficult? Yeah, he's like, yeah. Oh, the little wall is closed in. So fun. To wrap up this vlog, I wanted to just kind of say the things, for my sake probably more than yours, things that are wrapped up. We are wrapped up with windows. They are all in. They are all correct, and they are all done. The exterior of the house is all the way done, buttoned up, put up. I came in here earlier and showed you the official before, and so it would only be appropriate to show you the official after of the whole sheetrock situation. We have the entire house all the way sheetrocked, all the way buttoned up, all the way done. It finally feels like there is real, tangible progress in the house. It feels like an actual house now. Like, it feels like a room. It feels like things are really buttoning up. From this point on, I think things are going to move extremely fast, which I couldn't be more excited about. So if you want to watch the entire house process, I will leave that playlist in the description for you guys if you are not caught up, if you don't know everything about this new house. So that will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.